Hi friends, welcome once again. This is Priyanka, your English trainer. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you daily routines in English. So let's get started. I wake up. I wake up. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I start work at 9. I start work at 9. I eat lunch. Or you can say, I have lunch. I work on my computer. I work on my computer. I finish work at 6. I finish work at 6. I go home. I go home. I arrive home. I arrive home. I feed the dog. I feed the dog. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. Or you can say, I have dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I go to bed. I go to bed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Now daily routines for school. I go to school. I go to school. I have classes. I have classes. I eat lunch. Or you can say, I have lunch. I finish school at 3. I finish school at 3. I go home. I go home. I do my homework. I do my homework. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.